folks, we're back. Let me get this out of my way here. Okay, so I'm going to take this part. I'm going to take this, put it right there. I'm going to take this with the snot on the front of it, and that's going to go there. And then so I'm going to take these three, I'm going to put them together like this in line with that. And I'll show you why I'm doing that in a minute. You take this and you go like this with it. You go like that. Wow. Now I'm going to get the windows on there. So I have, fine. I have one. I have two. Three on this side. Okay. And then you're going to put this one here. Like this. And I'm going to pick the one that just fell down there. I'm going to put it like that. Because that, yeah, that is going to go on this. So I'm going to have it like this. And this is going to go in here, snap on there like that, and then this is going to go like that. Yep, just like that. This one's going to be like that, and there you go. He's flying out, and the window's been destroyed, and the building kind of falling apart there. It's exploding. That's really cool. So I will see you in the next build video. Alright, Lego Fanatics, I started out with you know, just the bottom floor here, and you know, as we go up in floors, you know, there's a big screen there and all that, and there's the screen on the side, and then oh no, the goblin, he's come out of the building, and it's really cool the way they made this look, as though he's actually destroying the building, which is really cool, you know, and flying out of it. So there you go. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for it.